Hey folks, look, there's a great tip. If you need a friend, get a dog. You know what it means? It means you do not have friends. There's no friends. When you talk about money, no mercy. Do you understand me? If you need a friend, get a dog. No one will care about you. Only yourself. You understand me? Remember, if you need a friend, get a dog. In the business world, no one is friend of anyone. It's a great lesson that I learned by watching Wall Street by Oliver Stone with Michael Douglas as Gordon Gekko. See you in the next video.